Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey kids, good morning to all my dearest kids. So many wishes and my prayers for all of you. Welcome to Punjab Public High School. I'm Miss Fiza here from Playgroup. Today this is my lecture number 8 and our today's lecture is about an activity, and this activity is the part of counting. So kids, be ready. Kids, from start you have been learning this concept through writing or verbally, but today I'm going to share this activity here with all of you, because learning this concept through this activity will add fun to your learning. अभी तक आपने काउंटिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट को वर्कशीट्स और राइटिंग के थ्रू ग्रिप किया है, लेकिन एक्टिविटी के थ्रू इस कॉन्सेप्ट को अंडरस्टैंड करना आपके लिए एक इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस होगा. सो किड्स, आई मस्ट से that just watch this lecture carefully and do this activity at home. So now let's start our lecture. Now kids, you can see here the columns and counting. I have written the numbers at top starting from 1 to 10. और इन नंबर्स के साथ आपको कॉलम्स नजर आएंगे. And our today's activity is that you have to fill these columns. You can see here the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will end up to 10. And also you can see here that I have some cuttings. I'm going to use them, but you can also use some beads or buttons or anything else which you can count easily. So kids, we have to fill these columns according to the numbers. If there is 1, I fill this column with 1 bead or this paper cutting, and after that keep on adding the numbers according to the counting. So let's start. Our first number is 1. So I have a cutting here and I just place it here. 1. Our next number is 2. So what we have to do is we have to add 1 more cutting, but this is only 1, so I'm going to add another one which will make this number clear to your mind. So now these are 2 in number. 1, 2. Here is 1 cutting and here 1, 2. Now our next number is 3. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I added 3 cuttings here. 1, 2, 3. And you can also see that this is more than these cuttings. So you will keep on adding more and more. Now our next number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. And keep on comparing these cuttings. There are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our next number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's how I filled these columns. So this is the way to fill the columns, that you have to place the beads or same cuttings like this. Our next number is 6. That comes after 5. That means we will add one more cutting to this number. Then this will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But these are same in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here I have written 6. So that means I have to add one more cutting. Now this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our next number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now this is done for 8. So I'm adding 1, 2, 3. The fourth one, fifth one, 6. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, from here I started 1, I added another one, that becomes 2. Then after adding 2, I added one more, that becomes 3. And I just keep on adding one more cutting to each number by following the counting. Now it's turn for 9. So I'm going to add 9 cuttings. Now look, I've filled the 9th column again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And our next number is 10. So now kids, we just have to add one more cutting. Then this will be number 10. Now this is final look, and we just completed the counting from 1 to 10. So kids, this is our today's activity and you have to try this at home. आप इस एक्टिविटी के लिए कोई से भी ऑब्जेक्ट, स्पीड्स और बटन्स और एनीथिंग एल्स that is easily available to all of you, because this will be a new effort for all of you. So kids, do try this and learn to count the objects and learn to follow the counting according to sequence and their numbers. Now it's time to say goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.